Welcome to the in front of me iPad Pro 4th generation, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application, and then we should click here to Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, we should click here once on the switcher. After that, we can see here all the available networks. For example, let's select this one. Here we should enter our password to this network. I'll enter it out of screen. After that, just click here to join. Wait a second, and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, you can select more networks, enter the password, tap to connect, and after that you can switch just between these networks, for example when you'll have slow internet connection. Just to turn off the Wi-Fi, we should click here once again on the Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first we should open the control center, and then we'll see here this Wi-Fi icon. Just click once on the icon to activate Wi-Fi on your device. To launch Wi-Fi settings, you should hold once again Wi-Fi icon. Here you can select the networks, but if you want to open Wi-Fi settings, just click here, and now we can see the same settings. Just to turn it off, we should click here only once again on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.